Welcome to JTMS Timesheet Software tutorial presentation. Today we will be understanding Dashboard of JTMS Timesheet Software. After you logged in your account, you can see the main dashboard. Here, you can see your company name. Then currently, 43 out of 40 users or employee using this software. Here, you can see the total numbers of days left for subscription. And here you can see admin name currently who logged in. Here will come your company logo. So let's start with Dashboard. This is the admin dashboard. All our dashboard, reports and timesheet entry is based on weekly basis. Total timesheet graphs show you the details of all timesheets submitted for the week and simultaneously approved or rejected for the week. Weekly projects graph gives details of total of billable and non-billable hours entered for the week. You can even find out the total weekly hours entered against the actual weekly hours allocated. You can scroll any week as per requirement, and all the graphs will display the data as per the week scrolled. See how it's work. Further down, get day-wise breakup of total hours/project or expenses for the week entered by all the employees. Then also you will get details of top 5 projects that the employees worked for the week based on hours of timesheets entered. Also you can see top 5 projects are shown on the basis of maximum hours entered on a project. One can also find out the total employees working on the project. Here your employee leave details on particular week which you are selected. So, guys, I hope you all understand all the dashboard point. On left-hand side you can see menu parts, staff, client, activity, then projects, allocation, planner, leave management, budgeting, and all types of reports. For that we will brief you in next tutorial.